Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a Schluter drain, so stay tuned. So first, always ask the plumber to leave the 2-inch pipe sticking out. Most of them are used to just putting a clamping, what's it called? Clamping flange, whatever type of drain, which is the regular type of drain. What you're gonna do is you're gonna end up cutting it, and sometimes that's gonna take you way too low. So if they can just leave a stub out right here, 2-inch pipe, I'm about to cut it. So the next, I can cut it with this. This is called an inside pipe cutter to the right height. So let's get doing it. Okay, so I'm finally done digging out the stuff that was in there, all that foam, the foam ring they put around this pipe. Unfortunately, this pipe goes down, and you can see how it has an elbow right there. So that's not gonna let us go down any lower. It's about 1 inch too short. So what that's gonna do is we're gonna have to raise our mud set about 1 inch than I was anticipating, but it's okay. It'll work. So right now I need to cut this pipe about 7/8 of an inch from the coupler going up. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, so we've cut, you can tell how the elbow's right there. So there's about 7/8 of an inch right there from the elbow up. That's where our drain will hook up to. I've already dry tested it, and now we're gonna use this Christie's purple primer and the red hot blue glue. Make sure you guys have a small level like this. This is a 16-inch level because when you put it on, you want to make sure it's level both ways. All right, so there it is. It's a little off level, as you can tell. So what I'm planning to do is when I do my mud set, I'm actually gonna shim it up a little bit on the left side and make it level. Sometimes the pipe when it's installed is not level 100%. And of course, when you connect this piece to the pipe, it pretty much takes the level that it comes with. So we're gonna fix it with the mud. I may or may not make a video of the actual mud set, but if not, I'll see you in the next video.